Brewing in Kerala. The Kerala Minister P. Prasad decided to boycott the World Environment Day event at the Governor's house in Thiruvananthapuram. The reason? Bharat Mata photograph at Raj Bhavan, which he insisted was the one that was associated mainly with the RSS. The event was being organized by the state and the Raj Bhavan jointly. The controversy comes days after Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and Leader of Opposition V.D. Satishan criticized the presence of the RSS ideologue S. Gurumurthy at an event in Kerala Raj Bhavan on Operation Sindoor. Now, the State Agriculture Minister Prasad contended that such a photograph must not be used at a government event, saying it went against the constitution. The State Agriculture Department had organized the function for planting fruit plants at the Raj Bhavan, and the minister reportedly requested Raj Bhavan to change the Bharat Mata picture with another one. When the suggestion was rejected by the Raj Bhavan, the left government subsequently decided to shift the function to the state secretariat. Let's listen in to what the Kerala Agriculture Minister had to say on the controversy.
മതവിഭാഗത്തിന്റെയോ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു രാഷ്ട്രീയ വിഭാഗത്തിന്റെയോ ചിഹ്നങ്ങളും അവരുടെ രീതികളും പ്രദർശിപ്പിക്കുന്ന സർക്കാരിന്റെ പരിപാടിക്ക് ശരിയായ കാര്യമല്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ സർക്കാരിന് അത്തരമൊരു പരിപാടി അങ്ങനെ സംഘടിപ്പിക്കാൻ പ്രയാസമാവുകയും ഞങ്ങൾ അക്കാര്യം രാജ്ഭവനെ അറിയിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. അതിന്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്താണ് ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് മാറ്റിയത്. അത് മാറ്റാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ് എന്നാണ്.
संविधान एक धर्मनिरपेक्ष संविधान है और उसमें स्पष्ट किया गया है कि सरकार और सरकारी संस्थानों का किसी एक धर्म के साथ कोई रिश्ता नहीं होना चाहिए. तो केरला में जो राजभवन है, जो राज्यपाल का निवास है, वहाँ भी इस सिद्धांत का पालन होना चाहिए. अब पर्यावरण दिवस के मौके पर जो वहाँ के राज्यपाल हैं और भारत माता की तस्वीर वहाँ टांग करके कहा कि सबको इसके नीचे दिया जलाना चाहिए. तो जो पर्यावरण मंत्री हैं केरला के प्रसाद जी, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं ऐसे आयोजन में भाग नहीं ले सकता हूँ.
So, on the other hand, Raj Bhavan organized Environment Day celebrations at the very same venue. And while speaking to the local media, the Kerala Governor, Rajendra Vishwanath, said that the picture, the photo of Bharat Mata cannot be removed because it symbolizes the nation.
In fact, for today's program, our Agriculture Minister was to be present himself. Earlier it was said for this program, Education Minister of our state was to be present himself. But he could not come. Then it was conveyed that Agriculture Minister will be here. But still he was not able to come here. I do not know what better issues we have better than environmental issues. This particular thought has to be spread in the society.
So, amid this tussle, Kerala's Leader of Opposition, V.D. Satishan, also slammed the governor, saying Raj Bhavan should not be turned into a hub for RSS activities.
ഒരു RSS നേതാവിനെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നു. രാജ്ഭവൻ അത്തരം കാര്യങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള വേദി ആക്കരുത്. അതിശക്തിയായി ഞങ്ങൾ പ്രതിഷേധിച്ചു. ഈ പിണറായി വിജയൻ ചുണ്ടൊന്നനക്കിയോ? ഒരു പ്രശ്നമില്ല. ഈ CPM എന്തെങ്കിലും പറഞ്ഞോ? ഒരു
My colleague Arpita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arpita, the charge that several opposition leaders have made against the governors in their states, including in Tamil Nadu, is accusing them of saffronizing the state. But this was the World Environment Day celebrations. Take us through the controversy. Why did the left object to the picture of Bharat Mata?
So as part of the Environment Day celebration, state government and Raj Bhavan together, they were holding a function, celebratory function at Raj Bhavan. When the minister, Agriculture Minister P. Prasad arrived at Raj Bhavan, he noticed that there was a photo of Bharat Mata kept there at the stage where the event was happening. So the party opposed to it, saying that this portrayal of Bharat Mata is a symbol that is associated with RSS, and that is why they wanted to be removed from the stage. To which Raj Bhavan apparently said they are not going to remove the photo because it is a symbol of nation. And after Raj Bhavan denied removing the photo, minister decided to boycott the event and shift the venue to State Secretariat at Darbar Hall. So after which the minister clearly hit out at Raj Bhavan, saying that no such government places where any function is being held, no party symbol or other beliefs should be portrayed.
Okay.
And this portrayal of Bharat Mata was a symbol associated with RSS, so that is not correct. On the other hand, UDF also hit out at Raj Bhavan, saying that this is not the first time they've held such event which is associated with RSS. Earlier, Guru Murthy had come to Raj Bhavan for an event related to Operation Sindoor, for a talk on Operation Sindoor. So UDF and LDF is now saying that Raj Bhavan is again and again
a government program because of a mere picture, and the picture of Bharat Mata, that's of course going to snowball into a big controversy. Arpita, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we shift our attention now to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is